What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be taking a look at Snapchat on the BLU Vivo XI Plus. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so first and foremost, I just have to say for the 2.5 weeks that I've been using this phone, I've absolutely loved it. Now I did get this for $280. It did go up to, I believe now it's $330, but the price that I got it at was absolutely amazing. Anybody who copped it at that price, it is an amazing phone. Pretty sure you can vouch for me as well. They did just end up releasing a device at, I believe it was Best Buy for $280, and that is the 4GB RAM variant, 64GB internal storage. Yeah, just a few gigabytes of RAM less and half the storage. I still think it would be a pretty good deal as well for $280. So if you guys want to go ahead and check that out, that is at Best Buy. You guys can probably go to bestbuy.com or go in store. But this is the 6GB variant. We're going to be taking a look at Snapchat here right now. Now, basically what I'm going to do on Snapchat is take a look at photos. We're going to take a look at inside low light and good lighting and outside lighting and how everything looks. Basically, a ton of people have been asking me the last few days of owning this device, like, you know, how is Snapchat? How does it work? Can I use filters? Is it like crap or whatever? So basically, going to give you a ton of different samples right now. Also, a lot of people have been asking me, when is the review coming? The review is probably going to be out this week, so definitely stay tuned. Turn on the notifications if you guys would like to be a part of the Tech Gang, because that review is going to be dropping, and I have to say, this is a hell of a phone. So let's go ahead and take a look at Snapchat and see how it is. Alright guys, so this is the front-facing camera in good lighting. So basically my studio light is right here. We're going to go outside and check it out as well, but this front-facing, this is a low lighting now. Studio light is now off, but this is indoors. Another filter on here. The volume does seem a little tiny bit muffled as well, so tell me if you guys notice that. Here's another filter right here. This is the dog filter. Studio lighting indoors right here. As you guys see, looks pretty decent. Low light indoors, very low light actually. This is how it looks inside. This is the front-facing camera on Snapchat in good lighting outside. This is the rear-facing camera. Good lighting outside. So as you guys saw, you saw a ton of different samples from Snapchat on the BLU Vivo XI Plus. In my opinion, it gets the job done pretty much like any other Android phone. Maybe a little bit better than the budget phones. Probably more towards the mid-range quality on Snapchat. But obviously, you guys know that, you know, iPhone is the most highly optimized for Snapchat or whatever. But yeah, this phone did pretty good. As far as low lighting goes, it did horribly. I don't think any Android phone in low light, you know, does too good unless you're buying the highest of flagships, probably either a Google Pixel or a Samsung Galaxy Note 9. But yeah, pretty decent as far as outside. You can hold a filter on there. Filters do work well. Everything is nice though. Everything, if you're in good lighting, if you're outside, everything looks good. Haven't tested this in low lighting because, I mean, you know, I don't really go out to like clubs and stuff like that. But in low lighting in my room, looks pretty bad. But yeah, pretty decent as far as Snapchat goes on this device for $280. But yeah, tell me what you guys think. Tell me what you guys think in the comments down below. Is this passable for you? Would you guys use this as a daily driver for Snapchat? I don't know. A ton of you seem to have the Huawei Mate SE and the, either the LG Stylo 4. So tell me what you guys think in the comments down below. But yeah, if you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the tech gang already. Also hit the notification bell if you guys want to be notified every time I do upload a new video. This has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, tech gang.